Today I want to show you how you can set up a little publishing platform with Typemill where you can publish multiple books in different formats like HTML, so websites that you can read online, and also a PDF version and an ePUB version. It is a little bit like a small version of open book publishers. You might have heard of them. They publish a lot of books, but not only as print version, but you can also read them online or download them as HTML. Let me show you the publishing platform that I've set up with Typemill. It looks like this, and right now I've published 2 ebooks here, and the first ebook is about publishing for organizations, and the second ebook is about publishing training material for educational companies or trainer or coaches. And I plan a third book about publishing white papers for companies. All these are use cases that you can have in mind when you set up a publishing platform with Typemill. Okay, let's open a book now. Let's take this one. It starts with the start screen where you can decide if you want to read the book online or download the PDF version. You can also publish an ePUB version and add a button here. If you want to read it online, you get this web version. You can use this pager to go backward or forward. You can use the table of contents and switch to another page. You can always open the book details where you can download the book again. There's also a dark mode and you can switch font families and you can change the font size. So let's switch now to the author interface of Typemill where you can create all the content and publish your ebooks. If you are in the author interface, everything is structured with projects. So each ebook that you see in the front end is a project here in the author interface, and projects are listed below this drop down button. And the book that we have just read in the front end is this one, Organizations. I can click on it and then all the content of this book opens. This is the web version. Typemill is a ordinary content management system, so you can just edit and publish your website here. And if you want to create an ebook, you just go to the home page and then open the ebook tab that you see at the top of the page here. And here you can see the ebook studio where you can first of all select all the pages that you want to include into your ebook. And in the next step you can select an ebook layout. I used Folio, you can use a different one. You can also develop your own ebook layout. That's totally possible. So when you have selected your ebook, you can just configure all the details, your cover, your imprint, your table of contents, and much more details. And when you are done, you can generate your PDF version. You can either generate your PDF version with a simple click, but this requires a license. If you don't want to buy a license, you can also do it with this PDF preview. You can just open the preview with the button, and then it generates the ebook PDF preview with HTML, and if it's done, you can just use your browser printer and then store your ebook as PDF and upload it later. And you can also publish an ePUB. It works exactly the same. When you click on this tab, you can define all the details and at the end generate the ePUB locally. Now let's have a look how you can publish your book. You are still on the home page of your ebook, and there you can open the tab Publisher, and here you can define all the details for the preview, and you can upload the PDF, and you can upload the ePUB. By the way, you can also restrict the access to certain role, so you don't have to publish everything publicly, but you can also create a closed community if you want to do so, and offer the download only to registered users, for example. Let's check how it looks like in the front end. So let's go to the home page. I will just depublish on this book now. So uncheck this checkbox. Let's see how it looks in the front end now, and the book is gone. So you have always full control of what's happening in the front end on your website. Okay, finally, let's check how you can create a new ebook project. We go back to the author interface, and there we open the system, and then we open the tab projects. And there you can see that I've activated the option to create a multi-project website. And I've already created a lot of ebook projects here. Let's just add another one. Let's say we want to create an ebook about screencasts. So I add an ID on the left. This ID will be used to generate an URL for an URL segment for the project, and we create a label. Screencasting manual, something like that, I don't know. Screencast, there's a typo. So, okay, let's just save it. And then we go back, and you can see here's another project. We can open it. It's empty by default, and you can just start to add your content, to write your ebook, and everything else works exactly like I've demonstrated before. Maybe another detail: usually if you write so many ebooks, you won't write them on your own, so you will probably want to add some authors. You can do it here. Just add a new author. Let's add one test author here. And the important thing here is that you can restrict the access of an author to just one project, to a folder. The folder name was screencast, so then he will only have access to the ebook project that you have just created. Okay, finally let's check what I've used to set up this platform. So basically I've only used Typemill in combination with a new theme which is called Publisher Theme. This theme is especially created for publishing multiple ebooks. Typemill is open source, but this theme requires a small license fee, but it's not breaking the bank. If you don't want, you can also use another theme, but it won't have all these features out of the box. And then the most important plugin is the ebook plugin, which is totally free, and I would recommend the Better Search plugin for good search experience. And if you want, you can also try out the Register plugin. For example, if you want to create a closed community where people can register and then read your ebooks. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. Just download it, try it out, and yeah, give me some feedback.